You can take, if you take River all the way, it goes into Sabino.
That's right. Yeah, you gotta make that one turn.
Yeah. I'll figure it out. I'm just gonna go. I'm not gonna get on the interstate. It's like shit. I'm up on Mount Lemon. How did I get here? All right, man. Super excited. Love you. No more Harley. Yay! Ah, shit! Ah! It up. There we go. All right. See ya. What? First person riding the Indian FTR1200 S. This is mine now. This is my baby. I am so excited, guys. So, first things first, we're gonna do a whole new video series. Oh, snap. We're gonna do a whole new video series. I don't know if it's gonna be out on Wednesdays. I don't know if it's gonna be out on Saturdays, but here's the thing. I asked you guys on a poll what you like to see, so I'm gonna be building stuff. I actually got a luggage rack in my backpack for this bike, and then I got some other stuff on the way. Oh my gosh, I can't breathe. I'm so excited. This is the first Indian FTR moto vlogger with an Indian FTR and stuff like that. So what we're gonna be doing is we're doing a little build series. This thing is designed for fun, so we're gonna be camping with this thing when I get the luggage and stuff on it. Oh my gosh. And then we're gonna be doing, yeah, like I said, the build series, vlog style, everything. I'm gonna take this ride nice and easy today. I'm still gonna break it in. It's the first 500 miles, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Guys, this is the first freaking one. Look at, there's so much stuff you could do with it. Look at this. Oh my gosh, let's go. Let's go, 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 boy! I've had a deposit on this thing since October. Oh, but like I said, guys, we're gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff out here with the Indian FTR1200 S, and it's gonna be vlog style, so they're gonna be long form videos. They're gonna be like probably 15 to 20 minute videos. If I can do it once a week, that'd be great. If it comes out to once every other week, that would be kind of great. It might not even have a schedule where it's on a Wednesday or Saturday. It's just gonna be like, here's what I've been doing since the last video type thing, you know what I mean? So I'll be doing something a lot like that, but with this. I plan on riding up Reddington Pass. I plan on riding up Mount Lemon after all the braking cycles and all that stuff. And you might actually see Moto Jitsu ride this bike a little bit, because he's coming down June 8th. And right now it's like May 23rd, something like that. Oh my gosh, this is so badass. 9.7 miles on the odometer. It's brand new freaking bike. I love this thing. Can't wait to be doing that, guys. Can't wait to be showing you guys what it is I'm doing. So thank you so much. YouTube has taken off, so I'm able to do this. Once again, all the Patreon stuff, that is going towards the 500 goal, the 500 patron goal, to where I can travel the country. So I'm trading in my car, or I'm selling my car, excuse me there. Selling my car so I can get the van and get all that stuff ready. That way we can go do some cool traveling. But I don't have the Harley no mo. I got rid of the Harley. Harley's gone. No more Harley. So Vance and Hines, all those people, thank you so much for the support. Get Lord, thank you for the support with the Harley, all that stuff. Custom Dynamics, there's way too many people to say thank you about the Harley. But guys, I got a brand bone stock Indian FTR1200 S. Brand new. And I cannot wait to do some modifications, and I can't wait to show you what I do with this bike. And I'm super excited about taking this baby home and having some fun, and then bringing you guys along with me. I got the drone again. If you guys have been around since the Saturday Scramblers, you know me off-roading with the Harley. Got the drone in the air, but I got a drone. I got the Indian FTR. I got, I got the time now. I'm doing this full time, so I cannot wait. So the vlog style, the 15-20 minute stuff, that is for you guys. That is for you guys. I want to share my experience with you guys and have some fun with you guys. I'm still going to be doing the tip videos, so that is the main portion of the channel. I'm still going to be doing the live streams of talking about motorcycle accidents and stuff. So I'll still be doing that. I will still be doing that. But this right here is just me having some fun with you. What are you doing there, buddy? You wanna protecting my lane, keeping an eye out. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I got a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So hopefully you got that hyperlapse going. or not hyperlapse, the hyper smooth. Hopefully the hyper smooth is going on, so it's nice and easy and smooth for you guys. And then I got the Insta360 1X, but I got a case for it finally. And that is because when I go off-road, I want to make sure this thing's protected from rocks and stuff, you know? Or whatever. And if I drop the bike, hopefully I don't. If I drop it, boom, boom, it's protected. Oh, yeah. Love it. So I'm having a lot of fun on this thing, baby. Can't wait to share so much. I got mirrors again. So I'm looking for upgrades and stuff. Do a little build series, do a little, this is what you can do to your bike. Tell me in the comments what you guys want to see from the bike. Like, let me know what you guys want to see. This is Grant. Let's go down Grant. Tell me what you guys want to see. Can't wait to share it. And then I plan on getting a side saddlebag on my left side, and then I got the luggage rack on the back, which I'm excited for. No sissy bar this time. Ugh, look at all that stuff. Let's go ahead and stop here. For those of you that are wondering if I'm too short to be on this bike, I am flat-footed on the left, but I got 1/2 cheek off. So I can actually stay up pretty well. That's not that big of a deal. I do need to get new pants, though. These things are a little restricting around my junk. This guy's staring at my new bike. Everyone loves my new bike. So there's a lot of cool stuff here. I got cruise control. I can cycle through. These are all my contacts. I called my insurance agent. This is my music. It's playing music. I just don't have it hooked up to my Cardo. There's rain mode, sport mode. Traction control is on. This is dark mode. I like dark mode. Gauges, phone settings. But yeah, gauges, you can change the gauges. Look at that. So this is a different gauge. So it lets me know I'm in first gear. Yeah, so everyone was concerned that this bike was too tall for me because of slow speed maneuvers and stuff. I think if you guys watched my videos, oh, I gotta get used to the throttle response on this thing. If you guys are used to my videos and know what I do with slow speed, I don't think there's a concern with me having my foot down, right? Yeah, I don't think so. So I'm just keeping an eye on traffic. Just to share a quick experience. Like I said, this is a vlog style. Just a quick experience. Hey, there's cycle gear. Cycle gear. There's nothing I need right now. There's a bunch of bikes there, though. If you're at cycle gear right now, 1:38 p.m. May 23rd, I believe. Say hi in the comments. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. Oh, keep an eye on this stuff. So I had to call insurance. So the whole process of it all is that, I mean, it's pretty easy. Matt explained it all in the After the Ride podcast a while back, but I basically just did a credit check. I did all my stuff. I did my trade-in, got the value for the trade-in for my Harley. Went through the whole process of warranties and tire protections and all that stuff. So I did all that, and then I had to call my insurance. I called my insurance up, gave them the VIN number, gave them who's the lien company, the title company, or the loan company and all that stuff, like who has it, you know, because I'm financing it. I had to go through all that stuff, and then it was simple. So I got new cards being sent my way, and right off into the sunset, please. And then real quick, got some really good information from everyone over at Indian about like how to do it. I mean, you're supposed to do a walk around, and they, you know, have you check off stuff that you see, that what they explained, you know, where all this and this and this is at, like the oil reservoir, like all that stuff. You go through all that stuff. But for break-in period, this is very important for break-in period. You want to go through pretty much all the gears. You want to go through the throttle position. So like, you know, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You want to go through all that stuff, and then you want to do as many heat cycles as possible. So what he explained to me was that as many heat cycles as possible before your 500-mile first checkup, basically your first service. And so the heat cycles is you go out for like a 20-minute ride, 20-mile ride, or whatever it is, and then you take a break, and then you do it again, and then you take a break, you do it again. So like just normal city traffic riding is very important when it comes to that. So like right now I'm just riding through here, I'm going through different throttle responses, and I'm switching gears here and there. So that's really good for what you do. Hey, the Sausage Deli, there's a KLR 650 there. Everyone's out for a nice ride today. And so you do that, that's how you kind of break in your thing. So multiple cycles of heat cycles, and then multiple throttle responses, shifting gears, getting used to it. He said that long distance is not good for the first 500 miles or for the break-in period, because you're stuck in that one gear, basically, like 6th gear, and you're at a consistent speed. So it's not as good. I think he said it's not good. So don't do that. Make sure you go through all the stuff, all the stiffs. All right, this is a collision trap hazard right here. I don't like how it is. It's good having mirrors. You guys are all making fun of me for all my mirrors. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be taking nice, easy rides here and there. Try to get 500 miles before MotoJitsu shows up, and get my service done before MotoJitsu shows up. So that'll be a lot of fun. How you doing, buddy? And there's collision traps. So I'm going to get in lane position 1. So now I have a nice escape path right here. Not in this person's blind spot too much, but I'm keeping my peripheral on him, keeping an eye on them, and then I'm keeping an eye on the white car way ahead. So anyways, that's kind of what I go through in my head. Oh my gosh, this badass bike. Cannot wait to go off the road, boys. But yeah, nice easy heat cycles. And then tires. I mentioned this in my tire guide video, where you don't want to go crazy right away. You really don't want to go crazy right away. You still got the brand new tires, stuffs all over the tires. Brand new, doesn't have the mechanical grip needed to have the traction. So it's very important to take it nice and easy, especially on turns, especially on acceleration and deceleration. Your traction is not the absolute best. So right now I'm taking it nice and easy. There's only 13.1 miles. They did a marathon on this thing, half marathon on this thing. And so I'm taking it nice and easy. So they should be warmed up by now, but I'm still gonna take it easy. Still gonna take it easy. I haven't been doing any really crazy turns. What's this? Who's this? How you doing, buddy? I like the whole white. I like how he's wearing all white. But the upgrades, planned upgrades that I would love to show you guys is obviously the luggage rack in my backpack. I'll probably do that sometime. I'm gonna change this out, but I also ordered radiator guards. So that will be a nice little change up. It's a little more protection. I plan on doing protection first before cosmetics. And that is something that you probably want to do yourself. You want to do protection before cosmetics. Cosmetics are cool and all. I mean, I could have spent a ton of money on a new exhaust, the Akrapovic, whatever, however you say it. Could have bought that. Could have bought a few other things if I wanted to. But I look at needs first. So I need to protect the bike itself in the event of a very minimal low slide or very minimal just drop in the bike, because it is a little bit taller. It's a new bike, so who knows. So I got the protection here. The luggage rack offers utility and a little bit of protection, not too much. But there's no sliders. I can't find any sliders for this thing. I can't find much for this, you know, as in protection-wise for this thing. So I'm just gonna take it nice and easy. It's a brand new bike, you know, brand new model, brand new everything bike. So third-party people haven't really come out with anything yet. But that's not gonna dissuade me from having fun. What's up, Highway Patrol man? I need to get out of traffic. I really want to get on the interstate with this thing. But yeah, low speed stuff like this is where people are saying, hey, you need to have your feet down, you need to walk the bike. No, I haven't. Oh, I stalled. What gear am I in? Third gear. How did I stall in third gear? Oh, I didn't downshift a second. I'm so used to my Sportster having 5 gears. For some reason, I thought I was in second gear. Yep. But that's how you solve it. That's how I didn't put my foot down or nothing. We are learning today, boys. So I stalled in the middle of traffic. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. You get used to the friction zone, clutch control on a new bike. If that happens, pull in the clutch, hit the starter, get it going again. I didn't even put my foot down. Not once. That's really nice. The stalling is not a massive jerking motion. It was nice and easy. Like, what? What happened? So that was not too bad. There we go. Now we're in second gear. Now we're in second gear. So I need to get used to the different, the power band and all that fancy schmancy stuff. I got to get used to that. How's everybody doing? So, real quick, like I said, this is gonna be a long little vlog thing. If you want to watch it, watch it. Right here, I'm gonna be, I'm in this position 1. So we're a little safety talk right now as I'm in position 1. And it's because I have this nice escape route that is this turning lane, and I can see really well. If I was off into this position 3, I don't have much. Not much at all. If I can lane filter in an emergency situation, I'd do it. But not much. Not very good. It's not good visibility and all that stuff. So if I switch on over here, and I'm going to give myself a nice space cushion between the Honda Fit and myself, so I'm going to slow down just a little bit. But I can see really well over to the left, and I have an escape path. So that's why you kind of want to do this. Plus, at the same time, you're presenting yourself as a motorcyclist. You're presenting yourself in the driver in front of you, his side mirror, if he's paying attention. Oh, BMW, Iron Horse motorcycles. BMW motorcycles. Very cool, very cool. I should go explore more. I haven't done a vlog in a long time where I'm just talking about my day, what we're doing. So this is actually a lot of fun. Now, this is not how all the vlogs are gonna be, okay? This is just me saying, hey, this is what we're gonna be doing, but I have a lot of stuff planned. So my next one will involve me riding around a little bit. It's gonna involve me having, you know, the installation of the luggage rack. It's gonna have me involved in doing some familiarization with the bike, so learning the clutch and friction zone, learning, you know, the turning dynamics, so, you know, how slow speed stuff can go for me, the braking, maybe adjusting the levers up more, because I feel like I'm having to reach a little bit too far. These are all adjustable levers, so it's really nice. And then I'm going to go through a lot of the system here, so a lot of it's going to be familiarization in the next vlog. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that, okay? I just want to say thank you to Indian Motorcycle Tucson, Matt and everybody there. And then you guys, especially my viewers. I wouldn't have been able to do this. I never thought about trading in my Harley. That was my forever bike. I had it since November 2011, and it's May 2019. Okay, I haven't gotten a new bike. I have had that thing paid off since 2015, July 2015. And I plan on paying this bike off quick, you know, being financially responsible and all that stuff. Selling my car, getting the van so I can go travel and meet you guys, put this in the back of the van. And then long-term goal would be to get like a Honda Rebel 300, ABS and all that stuff or whatever, and put a bunch of crash protection on it, put that in the van back with this one, and going around the country traveling and training you. Travel and training. Yeah, boy. And then I'll take my bike, this bike right here, out, and we can go for a ride and have some fun. Have some fun. I cannot wait to do stuff like that, guys. But this is the Indian FTR1200 S. We're starting a whole new series. We're having a ton of fun with that. And I cannot wait to share my experiences with you. And I feel rejuvenated and ecstatic about where we're going. All of us, the DDFM crew. All right, guys. With that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and we'll see you later. Bye!